Na mami ata from asu echi. Obi ma wo mo nyina na mi da nche no kono. Sana ma asu echi nche.
And that is something if from Puana you relate to it. Say in him, nefide ya frabe smart ne kogwarepo. You go swim for the seaside way. Area na coded eri befie. Eba in him the word leckins and yama me no na watch him. She wo ma me botu ma tafre wa asu echi ama. Eye besi anhwe be wet. Yes. Because or a test there, where tested officers.
Oh yes.
What after was switch ahwe there. Egware po a in Cheneze biomis obaka was switch and once we capture we day wanted. They were correct evidence. Embai.
Oh, them done me GB.
Obogwa wa ma wanka say feel.
And
then I mean I think they you're good in essence there.
Yeah.
In a epono dangerous kakra.
Oh, very dangerous.
Yeah. Because yet be Christmas or kogware po afan. And mommy phone upon for 1 hour yem shishina what they go through no. When your child play better na yaso no yeden. Yaso no yeden. But it's all gonna be also parents in be or feel there. What's sika wampoano? Nti once started a recompoano be away be see a compoana. Ferry be bama sea bag, bama nam or da we button nam in your cash kakra. Nti bonde school is seminary fee one room.
Damn naughty.
Sort when they will croby or friend and cafona. You crow they were. I saw ye dinner when they teacher now they are soft. Yes, because say it's a classroom. A chawan ade. Now what's it? Outboard motor and a voice now.
Okay.
And I chat a hammer body.
Okay.
Inti Ohana, please say, Pachon Pedem Cosanchi.
Answer that.
Pium Aqua Omba. Say, I'm Pachon Pedem Cosanchi. When you're the bad so in a class, and I can import two.
Yay.
Obiaro compana cohos or copenam. Chapel them so that my so fully preach. Only preach in a what's in him. As a yamal bodru.
Walk up.
Also free and as impossible. And so that's the experience from the seaside. Me, I sure that way your coastal boy Biano, you can relate to this. And they are very interesting people.
Oh yes.
Yeah. In your fire for one fantica.
I mean swimming calm on quachery day.
Okay. The market be actually. Even there, mostly about cry. I'm out for Sindo. Truck off in a book for one crane or ye deep or ye and say, Yanny Fanson, a quaffer from ones anymore. Go, Jaffo, I pay. I don't mind a pair and come so smam or Sisia. Or catch her way a boo, and I don't catch her on will loop a when I
no.
I say, I be seen be a edge skebu a guy be one who feed it and pen edge genuska aba. I'm pay. Grab when you mean. I'm sorry, I may scam on our mobility do ye. I pay. I'm in your body bill.
Very interesting. Oh, but the moment you was sounded the go more full.
I say the language and the vibes and the energy. You see, a lot of people think that what's the Erica Fanta when you never fancy in Ayakura?
No.
You know, people can't actually differentiate between Takra and fancy. Yeah. And I keep telling them that I start to fit Takwareba or some Takwa the way I want fancy.
Yeah.
It do Takra the also the way I want fancy.
Second in person one
yeah. It do Elimina or some one fancy. Even between Elimina and a Cape Coasting. Where you're close to, but also no biana no fancy.
Yeah.
Then you come down to Saltpond. Saltpond and Omabo. One fancy yeah, different. On and what's what your book. Yeah. Then we have that of Mankesim.
Yeah, Mankesim.
For example, typical Saltpond back at the Etso. But the Mankesim you back at Mwar.
No, why can you be another thing?
Dabi, Mawake when Mankesim for friend Mwar.
How?
Kedim Mwar, Mukotom Mwar.
Ebe.
But in here shop on other phone you can eto.
Of course, because what happened?
And if you don't know, that is what you people call banku. The banku we don't add yamfa banchin count or a brona na
yeah.
So or ye etso.
No, etso.
On your banku.
Yeah.
And no na you do Winnie Bar where you expert at it. Winnie Bar. Otum was the so to woman 3 months.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
My uncle debut Winiba.
Yeah.
On easy.
Now Winiba case was simple benku made the mat to our home. Chere Obi or to the belts bonium way the Winiba George the benkuna the belts and a battle.
Yeah.
So only simple case and what kind of simple benku made the mat to our home.
Hey,
so it's simple case. So I know chorus and much true. Oh, be lie. And so, guys, this is some vibes from the Fatty side. We'll definitely come your way with another talks from the Fatty side. This year, someone say, as the castle was here, Jaika.
Why not say in Jaika?
Go for being in social media and what did I miss? Stop promoting fancy language. I say, man, I hear Baba Yen.
Dead.
Yeah, be my akono. Yeah, more the types.
Hey, Razi.
We'll be back with more fancy vibes.
Straight away.
Everything fancy. Ide here.
No.
Atasa.
What I say?